In this video, you will learn how to create filter or how to apply filter in Microsoft Excel. For example, currently I have opened a worksheet and I want to apply the filter on this data. Firstly, select the headings. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. After selecting these headings, go to Data tab. You will find it here. Click on it. And from here you will find the option of filter. Click on this. Now you can see here you will find the drop down menu. It's mean that you can apply the filter on this data. Now to apply filter you have two options. Either you want to apply one filter or you want to apply multiple filter. You will learn both these methods. For example, currently I want to apply a filter on area. Click on this drop down menu and here you will find different options. Firstly, I will uncheck this option and I want to filter the data about East. I will select this one. Click on OK. Now you can see here that the Microsoft Excel has filtered the data and only East data is appeared here. Secondly, you can see here that the row numbering is not consecutive. It means that some of these data is missing because it has filtered the data and only each data is appeared here and remaining rows are hidden. These are not deleted but these are hidden. Similarly, if I again go to this option and I also want to include the west data as well, so click on OK. You can see here only west and east data appeared here, remaining data is hidden. So by doing so you can select one category or more categories. Now you can see here I have already applied one filter. Now I also want to apply second filter. For example, I am interested only pencil items, so I will click on this drop down menu. From here I will uncheck this option and I am only interested in pencils data, so I will select this one. You can also select other items according to your requirement. After selecting, go to OK option. And now you can see here we have successfully applied two filter. First one according to area and second one is according to items. If you remove this filter, for example, I will select check all option and click on OK. Then you can see here only one filter is applied here. So by doing so you can easily apply the filter which is one or multiple filter. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.